In today's video, I am going to teach you an AutoCAD Dimensions Not Showing. Why are my dimensions not showing? Dimensions not working in AutoCAD. If your dimensions seem to vanish or never appear. The most common cause is a layer visibility issue. Start by opening the Layer Properties Manager and checking the layer where your dimensions live. Make sure that layer is turned on and not frozen. Off hides the layer globally, while frozen stops it from updating and displaying. Either state will make dimensions disappear. Turn the light bulb on and thaw the snowflake so the layer is fully visible. If the problem only happens in a specific layout viewport, focus on viewport freezing. Go to that layout. Activate the viewport, then open the Layer Properties Manager again. Look for the VP Freeze column and confirm the dimension layer is not frozen in that viewport. Even if a layer is on and thawed globally, a VP freeze will hide it inside just that viewport, which can be confusing when model space looks fine. Next, check the dim layer system variable. Type dim layer and confirm. It's set to use current or to a specific dimension layer that's visible. If it's pointing to a layer that's frozen or turned off, new dimensions will land on an invisible layer and seem to fail even though they were created. Text size can also make dimensions look missing. Open dim style and review the current style's text height. If the height is set extremely small, your dimensions can be present but too tiny to recognize without an extreme zoom. If it's too large, you might only see fragments or nothing in your current view. Adjust the text height to a sensible, readable value for your scale. Then apply the changes to the style you are using. Related to that, verify your overall scale by typing dim scale. This controls the size of dimension text, arrows, and offsets relative to your drawing scale. If dim scale is too small, dimensions will appear microscopic, too large, and they will be oversized or seemingly absent from the view. Set it to match your intended plotting scale so annotation reads correctly in context. Finally, if dimensions aren't previewing while you place them, check DYN mode. Set it to 3 to enable both pointer and dimension input during placement. This doesn't change existing visibility, it just restores the live preview so you can see what you are doing as you work. Work through these checks and your dimensions should display reliably. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.